I will discuss something which has been discussed this afternoon under the guidance of Roger, I think, and it's about death, deterrence, and criminal policy. And it goes into the question of whether the death penalty is a deterrent to whatever crimes should be prevented. I'm sure that you heard already a lot of things which I will again perhaps within a different framework present, and I'll try also to be short and quick, and I think I have approximately 10 slides to present. So I would like to start with something I think you're familiar with. It's about fear, love, and cruelty. And there was, I think, some discussion on cruelty, but there was no discussion on love, and there was also no discussion on fear. And it was Machiavelli, and he knew a lot about fear, and he knew also a lot about cruelty. And when asked by the prince what to do, whether it be better to be loved than feared or feared than loved, Machiavelli said something, and I think that applies today. If we cannot have both, then it's better to be feared. And he added also a bit later that sometimes a good king or prince has to be cruel. Has to be cruel in order to avoid too much violence, too much death. Because he said a bit cruelty can avoid a lot of problems in the future. What he did here is, I think, and how did he do that? What he said is something which belongs to the basics in social sciences, in humanities. Fear is an incessant companion of humans and a very important advisor to mankind. And that is why the threat of death is assumed to be a powerful instrument in coercing people into compliance. And that is also why death is thought to have a capacity, the threat of death has a capacity to raise fear.